Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this Gothic Circus glow Halloween photo that's been trending lately. And then you can do it for free directly using Gemini's new Nano Banana tool. It's super easy and no need for Photoshops or other apps. Just one prompt and your spooky aesthetic is ready. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or through the app like this. And then just log in using your Google account, and after that just tap on create image to activate the Nano Banana, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. And after that just upload the photo that you want to transform. You can use your selfie or any portrait photo. Make sure it's clear and valid so the AI can recognize your face properly. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo like this. And then next, let's come the fun part. Let's typing a prompt. For I have already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy this prompt or just feel free to tweak it with your own styles. Maybe you can change the outfit, the details of outfit, and then you can change the background to match your Halloween themes and many more. Just feel free to tweak the prompt. And then next I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it, and when you're done just tap on generate. And okay, like this, just look at this. The result looks like a professional Halloween editorial photo. It's spooky yet glamorous, and if you love it you can download it and then just post it straight to your social media. And okay, that's it. That's how you can create a Gothic Circus Glow Halloween photo using Gemini's Nano Banana. It's completely free and beginner friendly. Okay, if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.